Hi, my name is Michelle Hippensteel. I'm the owner and creative director for Neighborhood Dance. And here, my guest is Mallory Gilliam. She's gonna help us show you how to do your child's pigtail buns for this particular costume. We did one side so we can show you what the finished look looks like. We're gonna show you how to do it on the other side. So, first thing you need to do is get some gel. Gel is really great because it'll make it sticky, it'll hold better. So we start with some gel, get a good amount. After you part that hair, we did one side, we're gonna put some on this side, right here, all the way around. Then you take a nice good brush, kind of brush it out a little bit. Kind of pull it up. You want to get it above the ear, right in the middle, between the top of the forehead and the ear, right in the middle, top. Good. Then we'll do a comb. Get a nice comb. Comb it in, make it nice and smooth. Good. All the way up. Then we're gonna get a rubber band. So for shorter hair like this, you can use these little rubber bands here. We also have the big sturdy hair ties as well. I'm gonna use the smaller one on her. Here, I'm gonna pull it up, get it inside. Good. It's gonna nice and tight. Good. All right. Then, I'm gonna comb this out a little bit, smooth it out a bit, teething brush. And then what I like to do is I like to pull it back, kind of smooth it out. Teething comb brush is great. It smooths out, doesn't pull too hard, gentle on the scalp. Do the back side, get it combed up, and then we spray it. Cover our eyes, do a little spray. Go. You never use enough spray. And I'll do an extra little combing right here to smooth it out. Okay, get the best you can on the wispies. They tend to like to hang out. All right, so after you do that, then you're gonna take the bun, you're gonna twist it, counterclockwise. You're gonna twist it around once. Then you're gonna use these little hairpins. These are the bigger ones. And you're gonna stick one in right in the middle of the bun where the hair tie is. So stick it right inside. Twist it again, nice and flat around the bun. Get another hairpin. Gonna put it right inside that bun right there. And you're gonna twist it one more time. You might need 3 or 4 hair bobby pins to get it stable inside. Good. Side. After you get that in, then you're gonna take this beautiful colored extension here. It's a rubber band one, so you stick it right on top. So what I usually do is, I wanna make sure the pink is laying downward of her ear. That's where you want that direction. So I'm gonna take my 3 fingers, I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna hold the bun with my other hand, grab the bun, pull it over, just like that. Okay, so now you've got this nice little flare, like that. Okay, then here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna get a net. The net helps to put this together just right. So you're gonna curve it around. Gonna kind of fold it over. Fold it over. Nothing crazy perfect, just fold it over where you can see some pink and some purple. And then you're gonna take that net and you're just gonna kind of put it on top. Try to follow the direction of where the hair is going, right there. I'll twist the net around one time to scoop it around once again, like that. And then I'll take it and wrap it in the back, like this. And you just kind of follow. It's okay if there's little pieces hanging right there. It's really pretty. But if you want, you can twist it around. If you're like me, I like to twist it around and hide them in the back. Then after I got it on there, then we're gonna pin it one more time into the bun. Go inward to that ponytail. Do another one here. You want it nice and sturdy. Right inside. One more. It looks like I used 3. She has smaller, less hair, so less hairpins. Put it right inside. Now, and then you got your pigtail buns. One thing next is you got this little bow tie. Now, originally it's really big, so you're gonna wanna use clear. You can use clear rubber bands. And notice how I folded it right at the end of where the clip is. So you'll bring it forward, fold it over and tie it, and then it'll make this longer. The reason why we're doing that is because we don't want to hide the pretty bun. So you put it right in here over her right shoulder, and we clip it right into the bun. And then, voila! We have ourselves looking very close to the image in the picture.